Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the power supply in your HP Omen tower, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a flashlight for better visibility. Ensure that your workspace is clean and well lit to facilitate the process. First, power down your computer and unplug it from the wall. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this operation. Next, remove the side panel of the tower by unscrewing the screws located at the back. Gently slide the panel off and set it aside. This will expose the internal components of your tower. Before proceeding, take a moment to visually inspect the existing power supply. You'll notice that it is typically located at the top or bottom of the case, secured by 4 screws. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Now, disconnect all cables attached to the power supply. This includes the motherboard cable, CPU power cable, and any peripheral connections. Remember to take notes or pictures of the connections if you're unsure where they go. If you find this step challenging or are uncomfortable doing it yourself, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once all cables are disconnected, you can remove the screws holding the power supply in place. Carefully slide the power supply out of the case. Before installing the new unit, it's a good idea to clean the area around the power supply. Use compressed air to blow out any dust accumulated inside. This will improve airflow and cooling efficiency in your system. Now, take your new power supply and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect all of the cables to the corresponding components in your tower. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once everything is connected, double-check all your connections to ensure they are secure. After this, replace the side panel of the tower and screw it back into place. Before powering up your computer, it's wise to make sure everything is properly assembled and that there are no loose cables. Once you're confident, plug the computer back into the wall and turn it on. You should hear the new power supply functioning correctly. If, for any reason, your system does not power on or you encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring that you know the costs involved up front. This allows for a hassle-free experience without any unexpected charges. Finally, enjoy your newly powered HP Omen tower, and remember to perform regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Regular cleaning and checks can prolong the life of your components significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.